Looking for a way to edit your photos automatically using Imagen AI? You might want to hold on for just a second before you try to sign up. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we wanted to bring you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to use Imagen AI to speed up your photography workflow. However, we believe in being completely transparent with you. When we went to test the platform and gather the details for this video, we hit a major roadblock. The website is currently behind a strict Cloudflare security verification screen, meaning we couldn't bypass the Just a Moment verification page to actually access the tool, test its automated editing features, or see how it works firsthand. Because we only rely on verified real-world data, we also looked into the current user reviews for Imagen AI. Right now, there are no verified reviews or user feedback reports available in our research database. Because we refuse to make up fake features, prices, or pros and cons, we can't give you a definitive recommendation or a live walkthrough today. If you are trying to visit the site, you might run into that same security block screen. A final takeaway? We highly recommend proceeding with caution. If you have managed to get past the security screen and have actually used this tool to edit your photos, please drop a comment down below. Let us know what the features are like, how much it costs, and if it's worth the time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest tech updates, and we'll see you in the next one.